How to fix the NVIDIA Control Panel is not opening on your Windows. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you're facing this error with your NVIDIA Control Panel and services, here are some few fixes. The first one would be to end your NVIDIA services from the Task Manager. For this, right-click on the Start button and go to Task Manager. Or alternatively, right-click anywhere on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. Click on Yes for the permission required. Once open, go to the Details tab and find and right-click on NVIDIA Services. This includes services such as nvdisplay.container.exe and such other displays. Right-click on it and click on End Task. After this, close the Task Manager and try to open the NVIDIA Control Panel. This should probably work. If it does not, start the NVIDIA Services from the Services window. For this, you can either open the Run tab and search for services.msc or simply type in services in the search bar. Tap Open it by entering the key. It will ask you for permissions, tap on Yes. Now in services.msc, locate NVIDIA Display Container LS in the service list. Now right click on it and select on Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. If it's set up to Manual, you cannot change it. In that case, stop the service first, then change the startup type, and then restart the service. Make sure to repeat the same steps for NVIDIA local system container as well. Once this is done, close it and restart your computer and try to open NVIDIA Control Panel again. This should probably work too. However, if it does not, the third solution will be updating your NVIDIA display drivers. For this, right-click on the Start button and go to Device Manager. Once you have opened the Device Manager, go to Display Adapter and then select on your graphic card and select Update Driver. And that is way you have fixed the issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.